Hey YouTube, Radio Cammy here. Today I'm giving you an update of how to wear two hairs on Roblox. So, kind of like this. If you're a girl and want to wear two hairs on Roblox, I will show you a way to do that. So, I'm not sure if you can do this on tablet or anything, of course. So, if you have a computer, this will work perfect, but I don't know if you can do it on tablet or not. So if you have a computer, I suggest use that. So what you want to do is you want to go to the clothing and click hair, just like I did. I don't know why I just clicked that again. And then, here, I'll actually take off the hairs I'm wearing. And then you want to pick one of the color of hairs that you want. So let's say you want the blonde hair. I'll do it with, I guess I'll just do it how I did it. But let's say you want the blonde hair. So you put on the blonde hair. And then maybe you want an extra hair with it. So what you want to do is right click it and click open link in new tab. So you have it in a new tab. And then you want to go to that tab. Okay. Then you see this bar up here? You want to copy these numbers right up here. The 1663047. You want to copy it. You can either right click and click copy, or you can Control C and just copy it from there. Okay, but you have to have the hairs. You have to have bought the hairs in order to use them. So if you, let's say you don't have this blonde hair and you want to wear it, you can't just get it. You can't just go to it from the catalog. Here, I'll show you in this page. You can't just go to the catalog and then find the hair you want and then click on it. So, for example, here, I'll show you after it loads. 1 second. Okay, so, for example, let's say you found this one and you haven't bought it. You can't, if you have not bought it, if it does not say this, I'm pretty sure you can't wear it, because you have to have bought the item. So you can't just go up here and copy it if you haven't bought the item. So if it doesn't say item owned, you can't do it. Okay. I can actually test that maybe, but I'm not for sure. Okay, then you want to scroll all the way down after you've copied it and found the hair that you want, copied it. Okay, I just confused myself. Okay, so after you picked your hair and copied the numbers at the top of the bar, or just got the numbers, you want to go back to here, click advanced, and then where it says a set ID right here, you want to click in the box and either do Control V like this, or you can do right click and click paste. And then once you do that, once you pick the hair you want, click save. And then it says, are you sure you want to override your current look? If you want to wear the second hair, then you gotta click save. If you don't, click cancel and then click cancel again. But if you do, click save and click save again. And voila, you're wearing the second hair. I didn't really wear clothes with this because I'm still working on getting new clothes that will work with some of my hairs. But yeah. So subscribe, like the video, comment down below what kind of videos you want me to make. Hit that bell so you know when I'm live or when I've uploaded new video. And yeah, bye guys!